So what's up guys, hope you are doing well. I'm doing well too, and today in this video we will be learning to create group chat in ChatGPT app. So open up your ChatGPT app, then you can see at the right side top corner there is an option of uh, a man icon with plus. If you click on it, then it says use ChatGPT together, start group chat. You have to click on it, and then boom, your group chat has been created. And if you want to share link with your friends, then invite with link. Just copy the link and send it to your friends. If they accept, then your group will be created and you can chat at once with your friends. So in this simple way you can create your group chat in ChatGPT app. Hope this video will help you, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you everyone. Take care.